created a digital product, but you don't know how to start getting money from it. Yes, it's not all about creating the digital product. When you finish creating the digital product, you have to find a way how you are going to get sales for your digital products. Yes, it's not good to just create a digital product and it will just sit there. For example, you've created maybe a coloring book or a planner or any other digital product that you wanted, and you have finished creating it and you are asking yourself, I have created it, I've put it on platforms like Etsy, like Grammarly, but I'm not receiving sales. You are supposed to do something so that you can get sales for your digital product. Just creating it and putting it on a platform, it will not sell itself. Yes, except you put it on platforms like Etsy, which already has a market, and sometimes it will also be hard for you to get sales because they already know customers where they want to buy their digital products from. So you need to do something so that you can stand out and people can also look at your digital products and start buying from you. So if you finish creating your digital product, then the next step is to find the way how you can be driving traffic to your digital products so that people can buy. And I'm going to show you three ways, three methods that you can use to be getting sales from your digital product. The first one is by using this free platform, which is Pinterest. And a lot of you, I think you know Pinterest. The good thing about Pinterest that you don't have to have followers. So if you are there and you're saying, I don't have any followers, can I really get traffic, or can my digital products be bought? For example, you can see this is a digital product. This is a daily planner, but this daily planner was posted 18 days ago. As you can see, it was posted by 18 days ago. I have this installment that I've installed into my computer, which can show me the pins which are latest and the pins which are doing well, pins that people are liking, pins that people are saving. So as you can see, over 800 people have liked this pin, and 300 people have already saved this pin. So imagine maybe out of these 300, then 100 people buy buy something from this pin, then that will be a win-win for you. Yes, so as you can see, this is how the planner looks like. As I told you, you can use it in all the ways. If you are selling an ebook, if you are selling a coloring book, if you are selling children's workbooks, so many things like that. So this, you can create something like this and be posting them on Pinterest. And the good thing about Pinterest, as long as you create good pins, you don't need to have any following or any big audience. Yes, you can still make sales even without having any follower on your Pinterest account. So what you do to use this Pinterest, first of all, you need to open up an account. Yes, and after opening up an account, then you turn your account into a business account so that Pinterest will know that your account is busy for business, and it will be pushing out your pins to people who really want to buy something on Pinterest. Yes, don't create a personal account, but create a business one. So as you can see, this person created this 18 days ago. So you can go ahead, create that. Yes, then this is also another person, or you can create simple videos like this when you are teaching people how they can use your digital product and how they can, where they can find it. Yes, and that way you can be driving sales to your digital product. Yes, for example, if we come here and see, this is their site. So if a person wants to go ahead and buy, they'll just click on this link here, and this link will take them to where you are selling your digital product. Yes, there are so many other examples that I can show you here on Pinterest that are doing this same thing for free without even an audience. So as you can see, this is a good looking pin. Yes, and these people, they are even selling it for $15. And imagine when you create this pin stays there forever on Pinterest, except you want to edit it, then you can edit it. But if you don't want to edit it, you can leave it the way it is. Imagine making this $15 year up to year. Yes, because people will be buying this. That's the good thing about digital products, that you can create one digital product and sell it multiple times or to different people. So what you are going to do, you will come to a platform like Canva, or you can use any other platform that you want to use to create your pin. But me, I like Canva. So you can come here to Canva, check for Pinterest pin, then create a pin that looks good. Or you can go to Pinterest, find inspiration, and create your pin according to according to what is inspiring you. For example, if you want to create a pin, for example, I want to sell this coloring book is the digital product that I created, then I'm supposed to put in pages of some of my coloring books so that people can at least see something they are going to go and check in my shop. So you can put that and also put in a text. You take your time. For example, if you are targeting people like ladies, ladies, most of them love pink. Maybe you can create your pin with something which is pink. Or if you're targeting parents who want to buy maybe a coloring book for their children or coloring pages, then you can also make it look and simple. Yes, so like that. Or you can put in any heading you want. Maybe for example, you can say 50 coloring pages, color, coloring pages. So you take your time and design your pin well, because if you design a pin that is not looking good, that is not catchy, people are not going to look at your pin. You can also put in some color on your pin. You just come here and click on this letter which has color, then you put in color in your pin. You can make the text to become pink, or you can also come here and click on effects, then add some effects on your letters here on the pin that you are creating. Or you can change it, tweak it to different style, maybe like this. Then what you do after this, you take your time. Yes, you can create like 5 pins a day. Then here, what you go, you just go ahead, click here on share. When you share, this will be downloaded to your PC, and the next thing you are going to do, you are going to come here on Pinterest. As you see, these people created their own. So if you want to create our own, we will just come here on Pinterest. You can go to the home page, or you can click here, create pin. Yes, so when you click on create pin, Pinterest is going to take you where you can create pin. So you can put the pin that you've created here. You just drag it and come and drop it here. You drag it and drop it there. So when you drag it and drop it there, then you put in a title. You can ask ChatGPT to give you a title that which is according to your digital product, a title and a description. Then what you do, you can put the link here for your products, or if you are selling your products on your website or on Etsy or on Gumroad, so many different platforms. I did a video showing you where you can sell your digital products for free. I'll link that video in the description below, where you can put your digital products and be selling them for free without even paying any money. So you can put the link for your shop here. Then you go ahead and choose the board where you want to put your products. Yes, for example, maybe coloring pages or digital planners, and you go ahead and put in some tags here. Then you click here on publish. Or if you don't want to click on publish, then you can schedule your pin. The good thing about Pinterest, you can even create 5 pins in a day, but schedule them. Maybe each pin goes after every 2 hours, and it will be posted on Pinterest. Then you can go ahead and do other things. So that's how you're going to use Pinterest to be driving traffic for free and get sales even without having an audience. So if you want to take your business to a further level, then you can come to platforms like TikTok. As you can see, this is an account of a person who sells digital products, and even they are using a free platform to sell, which is Beacons. As I've told you, I've done a video showing you how you can sell your products for free on platforms where they'll accept your products for free without paying. Like Etsy, they ask you to pay something, but here, like on Beacons, this app that this person is using, you can create your digital products, post them for free, and you start earning. So what you do when it comes to TikTok, you're supposed to put in the time to create content so that people can know what you are all about, so that you can talk about your brand. So this person is creating short videos like this, posting them on TikTok, and as she's doing that, as you can see, she's advertising her product. So if a person watches their video and they feel they are interested in her work, so then they will come here and click on this link, and this link will take them to her shop or to any place where she's selling her product. For example, if you see this video, she's talking about her digital products. So she will be teaching people something. So you can also go ahead, be doing that, creating digital products in such a way and making videos about them on TikTok, and people will go ahead and buy them. And the good thing about TikTok, TikTok blows up quickly. Yes, this is also another account of a person who is selling their digital products on TikTok, and they are using Stand Store. Yes, and for her, she's specializing in creating planners. So she makes videos showing people how you can create a planner, and she'll be directing them to the link in her bio so that they can go ahead and grab their own planner if they want. So you can also go ahead. What you can do, you can take your digital product that you have already created, then create a sneak peek of it and show people how that digital product looks like inside. Create that video on TikTok. And the good thing about this, you can do it faceless, or if you want, you can show your face. But if you don't want, you can do it in a faceless way. Yes, and you start marketing like that. So these are all the digital products that she's making, and she's using TikTok to promote her digital products. And she also has a YouTube channel where she's also earning ad revenue. So that means you can also be doing this. You can be creating these videos teaching people how they can use your digital planners, and they'll be buying them from you. And you'll be also using these videos on YouTube to make money. Then the other platform you can use for free to start earning sales from your digital products is Instagram, and people are doing it. For example, this one, which is called Happy Downloads, they sell digital planners, and they are using short videos also like this on Instagram, talking about their products, and people go ahead and buy their products, and that's how they make sales. They have their own website, they have also a shop on it. And what a person does, if they are interested in their product, they'll just click on this link and it will take them to these people's product page, and they'll start buying. And another way you can do it also, you can be creating videos like this on YouTube. For example, how to create a digital planner. So if you create a video like this on YouTube, and if a person comes watches it, then you can also put in the link in the description, the link about your products, about your planners. So if a person likes the way you have explained the tutorial to them on how they can create a digital product, then they can go ahead, click on the link in the description, and it will take them to your page, to your website, so that they can go ahead and buy your products. So that's also another way how you can create your digital products. I mean, how you can sell your digital products, by creating videos on YouTube, teaching other people how they can create their own. And there are those ones even who don't have time to create their own, who want already made planners, already made templates, already made digital products that they can come buy from you. Yes, so that's also another way on how you can get sales from your digital products even without having an audience. And the good thing about YouTube, you can also be putting your link in the description, and people can be clicking on that. So that's the way on how you can go about selling your digital products as a beginner, even without investing. Even if when you don't have money for adverts, that's a good way on how you can start. If this video has given you value, don't forget to like, to comment, to subscribe, and to share this video. Yes, and tell us in the comment section below, which digital product do you have in mind that you are going to create. See you in the next